1. 1977 Chevrolet Scottsdale C20, $4,500, Hemet, California. Powered by a 350 V8 engine with an automatic transmission, this all-original 1977 Chevy Scottsdale C20 has 135,432 miles and a clean title. Minor rust on the corners, used as a farm truck. A well-maintained vintage workhorse. Two, 1980 Chevy C10 Diesel, $3,500, Loomis, California. A long bed diesel truck converted to gas with Oldsmobile heads. This rust-free 1980 Chevy C10 has 54,540 miles, a clean title, and original paint but needs carb work. A great restoration project. 3. 1986 Chevy 1-ton single-wheel, $2,000, Marquez, Texas. Equipped with a 454 V8 engine and automatic transmission, this 1986 Chevy 1-ton lacks a title and needs transmission work. A solid project truck for restoration or customization. 4. 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit Pickup, Caddy, $8,000, Kansas City, Missouri. Featuring a 4-cylinder gasoline engine and manual transmission, this 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit Pickup has 30,343 miles and a salvage title, a unique and fuel-efficient classic. 5. 1985 Toyota pickup truck, $6,750, South Pasadena. A 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission power this 1985 Toyota pickup. With 165,000 miles, a clean title, and a custom pipe rack, it's a ready-to-use classic. 6. 1985 Chevy C30 flatbed, $3,000, Canyon Lake, Texas. A clean-titled project truck with new tires, carburetor, lights, fuel tank, and lines. This 1985 Chevy C30 flatbed is a solid base for restoration. 7. 1988 Chevy C3500 work truck, $2,000, Tucson, Arizona. With a 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission, this 1988 Chevy C3500 has 303,907 miles and a clean title. Features a new starter and battery. Reliable for heavy-duty tasks. 8. 1982 GMC Sierra Classic 1500, 8,000, Proctor, Washington. This well-maintained 1982 GMC Sierra Classic features a 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and 105,996 miles. A solid classic with a clean title. 9. 9. 1986 Chevy C60 stake bed, 8,500 Avon, Minnesota. A 366 V8 engine and 5-speed manual transmission power this 1986 Chevy C60. With only 7,628 miles, it includes a Western unmount plow and 100-gallon fuel tank. (10) 1978 Chevy C10 diesel converted to gas, $5,300, Lincoln, Nebraska. Converted from diesel to gas with an Olds 455 engine, this 1978 Chevy C10 has 66,000 miles, a clean title, and numerous mechanical updates. (11) 1986 Chevy CC30 pickup, $6,500, Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1986 Chevy C30 features a 454 V8 engine, manual transmission, 8,500 miles, and a clean title. New tires, fuel pump, and spark plugs make it a solid restoration project. 12. 1972 GMC pickup, $8,500, Valley Center, California, with a 5.7-liter V8 engine, automatic transmission, and 1,000 miles. This 1972 GMC pickup runs great with new tires and a clean title. (13) 1988 Dodge Dakota, $700, Idaho Falls, Idaho. A 3.9-liter V6 engine and automatic transmission power this 1988 Dodge Dakota. With 170,000 miles and a clean title, it needs a transmission replacement but comes with the necessary parts. (14) 1979 GMC Sierra C10 short bed, $8,500 at Klamath Falls, Oregon. This 99% rust-free 1979 GMC Sierra C10 has a 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, 64,000 miles, and a clean title. A classic with high-end factory options, ready for restoration.